Hello mga kasubs and welcome to the Source Schools TV. You got me, Mark, and welcome to this rainy Monday. Hope everyone is safe and warm from wherever they are. For those of you who are in the Philippines, please stay indoors. Weather is not good as of the moment. Um, so it is a video. So the video we'll be listening and reacting to is from OG Sacred, Braduz, and Salubsob performing. The song is entitled Wala Nang Dahilan. And according to the description, it depicts how true love can be sufficient reason to stay with someone. So wala nang dahilan. Wala is none. Nang is anymore or no more if you combine it. Dahilan is reason. So no more reason or maybe no more excuses. Because dahilan is reason, palusot is excuses. But I think the way this song this word will be used in the song would be no more excuses. But let's see, find out. Before we give it a go, just a quick thank you to all our viewers, subscribers, members, and sponsors. Maraming salamat sa inyong support sa ating channel. And without any further delays, let's give this song a go in 3, 2, 1.
Balahap again.
Wish 1075.
Kulang ang isang araw ang isipin ka simula nang makilala ka. Hindi maalis sa isip ko na maalala ang maamo mong muka. Naglalakbay sa puso ko ang iyong bawat tingin at nananalangin na ako ay mapansin at mahalin na rin. Hindi nagtagal, dumating ang hindi inaasahan na panahon na ako ay nabigyan mo ng daan upang ibigin mo at mahalin ng nangungulila kong puso na dating takot ng magmahal, ngunit ikaw ang siyang nagbabago.
Patulad ko'y napakainit sa mata ng pulis, markado ng makasalanan, tatong di maalis. Walang tiwala sa paligid, palaging tamang hinala. Maliit na parang eskinita ang mundo na ginagala. Ngunit binago ng tadhana, luminaw ang malabo. Natutunan na umibig kahit napatago-tago. Sitwasyon na mahirap, gangster na panghasal. Pwede mo ikumpara ang buhay sa Takeshi Castle. Samut-sari ang struggle, ang pag-itay lupat lang. Pinipilit na maayos kahit nakaraang ko'y pangit. Ang magalit ka sa akin parang kumuho ang mundo, pero mapasakin ka. Piling ko'y hari ng punto, di maipangako magbabago, pero di ka luluwa sa akin. Iiwan ang pagiging gago at ang masamang gawain. Lalayo tayong dalawa, tanging pag-ibig ang dala. Wala nang dahilan para lumuha pa ang iyong mga mata.
Ano ba bang dahilan upang ikaw ay iwanan? Wala na, wala na, wala nang dahilan. Ikaw lang ang siyang nagbigay liwanag sa aking buhay nang di ko na malayan na matagal ko na palang hinihintay.
Huwag mo nang isipin na baka matulad lang sa iba na tinikman at iniwanan. Di ka dapat mangamba, sawang-sawa na akong bumangon sa iba't ibang higaan. Di ko na kaya magkabisado ng iba't ibang pangalan. Mga larawan sa pitaka ko'y di ko nakilala. Mga kasama sa kamat nangyaring di ko maalala. Ako'y tao lang na natukso, minsan naging mapusok, minsan di na pagtanto ang kadalasang pagrupok. Nagkamali at agad na naniwala, nagtiwala sa akalang para ang pinakatama. Ang mahanap ang nakatagda para makilala ko. Pangarap hanggang pagtanda sa buhay ay kasama ko. Noong wala ka pa't hindi ko akalaing sa mundo ay may katulad mo na mapapasaan. Yayakapin ng nakara at buo kong pagkatao. Walang alilangang naniwalang kaya kong magbago.
Kay tagal ko nang hinihintay, kay tagal ko nang hinanap-hanap. Ang katulad mo at katulad ko ay pinagtagpo na hindi inaasahang pagkakataon na ibigin mo ang isang katulad ko.
OG Sacred.
And I'm Bradus.
Marvin Salubsob. For more
And that is the end of the song. But let me go back a bit. Their introduction went too fast. I didn't hear who's who, but I did hear this guy is Salubsob. But let's check.
And I'm Bradus.
Marvin Salubsob. For more
Hi, Wishers.
This is OG Sacred.
And I'm Bradus.
Marvin Salubsob. For more exclusive.
Okay, so this guy is Braduz, this guy is Salubsob, and this guy is OG Sacred. So let me know if I got it right. The intro is quite familiar, but it turns out it's a different song. Uh, with the intro, it made me. I thought it was those OPM songs where they're in from an arrangement perspective. The chorus comes from a popular song, and then they use that as part of the track, and then on the verse part, it's more on the rap part. So I thought that was the way they arranged the song. But this one is sounds completely original. But let me know in the comments if it's otherwise. So there were, I think, three parts of the song. So I did wrote it down. So Salub Sob was the first one. So the his verse was more of meeting that person, meeting that someone, and then after meeting that person, he just went crazy. Like he can't stop thinking about that person. And even in the first line, it says, or he said, kulang ang isang araw. Kulang means not enough or short. Um, isang araw, isa is one, araw is sun or day. But the way it was used here, there is not, uh, one day is not enough. And what is not enough is, because I didn't capture the entire verse, isipin ka. Isipin is to think about, or to think of. Ka means you. So verse wise, it means a day is not enough to think about you. Yeah. And then second verse, I believe it was OG Sacred. So in his line, it's more of the of how badass the guy was, how difficult life is for him. Like it's like he's like a hot item to the authorities. Everyone is looking at him, like waiting for him to make a mistake or something like that. But after meeting that person, like this depicted in first verse, it changed him. And then the third verse, that was Braduz. So his line talked more of addressing the concerns of or apprehensions that person may have, and what way forward does he have for that budding relationship. So at that moment, I think it's not yet in a romantic sense, but it's like more of like future state, if I may. So pretty much that's the song. So I kind of dig it because it's straightforward, conversational, happens. It can happen to everyone, kind of song. But I do dig Salubsub's vocals, because so he started with the rap, but he also sings the chorus part cleanly, like very bright, very well. Um, how do we say that, when he really has that knack for emphasizing those syllables, and making his message very clear, and you can see how the that level of confidence he has in his singing. You can feel that sincerity. I won't be surprised seeing him sing solo with other genres. Like, I kind of dig his voice. I can visualize his voice. I can imagine it, him singing R&B songs, especially as a solo, not as a collab. But collab is also good. I can also see his vocals. I forgot the name of the band or the group. The tune goes tan 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 tan. Hey girl, I like your style. Tan, 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 tan. I forgot that name, that group's name, but it's kind of like on the more on the pop side. So I can see Salib Sub also venturing to that genre as well. So there you have it. That's my reaction. Let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments if you haven't done it yet. These are the stuff you can do to show loving to our channel. Please do as many as you can. Don't forget to tell your family and friends about the Sarsicles TV. Sharing is caring, and most importantly, stay safe, everyone. I'll see you on the next video.